G'day guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's episode is going to be a little bit different. I'll be deciding over a long time, what to paint certain parts of my dash and the instrument panel, different parts of the car internally. So I've decided to go with hydro dipping, and I'm going to do like a carbon fibre. So I've never done this before. Jumped on eBay, just got some activator, got that, and this is from, I got this from Hydro Wizard. I'm not associated, not paid, sponsored or anything. And I also got this today, this turn I was waiting for. I ordered it second, just a bit of a mishap. But this is what it comes in. What I got was a meter sheet by a meter, I think, something like that, or 600 by a meter. I've just popped the top off. So anyhow guys, yeah, welcome back to the channel, or if you're new to the channel, welcome to the Aussie Man Cave kitchen at the moment. Yeah, as I was saying in the intro, I haven't done this before, so it's going to be a learning curve, and I've got a small test piece I'm going to do first. So I'll show you in a minute what that is. But here's the actual, what do I want to call it, test area subject. Okay, so I've got scissors, I've got a sanding sponge, and I've just given it a light sand back with 320. It says 400, but check what it explains or you require for yours. So that's that. A pair of scissors and wax and grease remover to wipe anything contaminants off the paint. You've got to rough the paint surface so this material will adhere to it and stick to it. So put them aside. Now I've got to work out how much I need, and what I'm going to be coating is the ashtray, okay, the face basically. So I've roughed that up enough to take all the shine off, because it was a nice nice black, and I decided to do this, so it's changed up now. So I've scuffed most of the shine off, and then around the back's a bit where it's potentially going to grip and hold on to. So the area I need is that big there, so as big as an envelope is what I need to cut off first. Remove this. Well, it's in its form to go basically. So that's why you don't want to have anything wet on the area you're working on, because this will start activating, it'll start sweating. So here's what I have. I forgot to mention I've got tape. So you want to put tape along edges to stop it from rolling up onto itself. Okay, so that's working out in the camera. Oh, this is what I didn't think of. You can't get on top wet. Now my fingers are sticky with the tape. Not very good with the sticky tape. So as much air out from underneath as possible. And I did see one video where you've got to leave it for like 3 minutes. So I'm going to say it's in there for about a minute, and then you apply your activator. So this has to be, I've already done this, but you've got to really shake it up for 3 minutes. Alright, so now I'm going to just to do that, leave for about 20 seconds. I think I've got some water coming on top of that. I think I might have pushed down into the water. Maybe I've got too much tape. And the angle on a 45, nice and slow. So that's been about 20 seconds. Here goes nothing, guys. Here goes nothing. I was lucky I got away with this, guys, but I think I should have started with the opposite end and dipped it the opposite direction for the best result. Comment, let me know if I've stuffed this up, because I'm pretty sure I have. Okay, so didn't do so good on this corner, and it's a bit stretched. So that's should be adhering. Now you got to rinse it off. Now what's on the surface apparently is like a slimy squid. So it's a slimy, slippery type texture. You've got to wash all that off thoroughly. Keep on rinsing until that's all off, and you could probably do this in a tub or in a container. Once it's all off, then you can stop rinsing. And as my first attempt, I've got to spray this in the clear yet, so stay tuned for more. I might even redo it because it's got that little black bit missing, or that part on the end I missed. So see what happens. But yeah, I've got to clear coat it yet, so stick around for more to come. And I've got bigger pieces to do. See how that turns out, if I can make a mess of that as well. And yeah, make sure you push it in the correct way, or push it in the correct way. So all right, thanks for watching guys, and see you next time.